we are investigating a issue, right? uh, we are into dilemma previously. If you miss this issues previous video, please go and have a look and come back to this video. Okay, in the description I'll mention first video as well. Okay, now in previously I discussed, because this is a new server, let me again just recap. We got a email saying that there is a issue in the cluster. What we noticed, we thought InnoDB cluster or group replication, something like. Now finally show databases, I discussed already, but anyhow, InnoDB cluster, we have a database, meta information will be stored in InnoDB cluster. Okay, then in previous video I discussed three nodes. One more node is for router. This thing I didn't discuss. Okay, this is the cluster name. We have a router also. What is the router? From application, from router to databases, it will be connecting. Now if you go and see, I've been collected previous video we have seen, right? This is online, this is offline. If you notice this one, if you notice this bootstrap only if required. Okay, previously what we did, I said only in one node. Okay, why? Maybe because we are investigating this issue, might be in some nodes are online, right? If what are the database, what are the nodes, or what we discussed previously, if any node is offline, we have to do. If node is online, no need. Okay, here the two nodes are offline only, you can do it. Go, don't do this on start group replication, and done, then make it off. Okay, do not run on multiple, it can split the directly split the brain issues you may face. Okay, fine, and let me verify this one online. Okay, this is also online. Now go to this set bootstrap off, then start group replication. Okay, yes, online, fine. Now from this node I'm trying to connect to the clusters with using router, MySQL SH router server, and connect. This is primary, right? That is the reason I'm trying to connect. Okay, I will go with the status. Tab is not working. Yes, missing secondary, online instance is not a primary. Fine. Okay, since there is a split brain error, better I will go restart. Okay, reboot the cluster. We have the permissions, right? Cluster is online, it is rebooted. Fine. Error, cluster is online. Now see the DB status. Missing. Okay, no problem. Online. This is also online. All became primary. Which one is primary? You verify. This is also primary. This is also primary. This is also primary. Okay, all became primary. This is not We should not get these type of issues. This is also make a note. Yeah. Yes, I see this. This is primary. This is warning. It came to split brain. We should not get. Okay, split brain means like we know, right? It should not get like this. Instance is not a primary, but option is off. Like this, we are getting. We need to fix it. Okay, what we need to do? I have a steps. We'll follow that. This is the split brain, right? We discussed. We stop the group replication on VM2 and VM3. Stop it here. Stop this because it's primary, right? What is this? All became primary. Split brain. Then set on these parameters we need to discuss. After the issue fix, we'll discuss about these things also. Now, where we can go, this is in fourth node, cluster, right? This is the cluster. Cluster, forcefully we can remove it. Removed from the cluster. Okay, we removed 103 and 102. Both became offline. Now again add. We're adding. Okay, done. It's added. Again, we in previously first video I've been discussed. We can start because we are not aware whether this is a InnoDB or something like group replication, right? We should not use this in InnoDB cluster. We can use these things. Now final result is we have to get it like this. Now wait, what we can go with this, take this command, anywhere. Sorry, it's not copied. Or we can use directly. Now we can see this output. Previously we are not getting, right? Now what is the database we created here? I'm not sure it will be replicated or not. This is the database, right? Go here. Okay, see, it is replicated. This is also replicated. Database also replicated. Show. Okay, done. Use mobile app small table. Create table. Verify the email. Copy any small table. ID, integer, name. This is not our activity, just for testing purpose. Syntax error. Create table name. Something mistake happen. Okay. Name varchar. Okay. See why this error is throwing. This is in read only. Which server? This is 3. Primary is this one. Okay. Same thing. Copy this. Now you can, where we can create the database. um, App, done. Now use insert into values 1 comma name does not exist. Sorry, that is database name, right? What is the table name? Okay, into 1 comma the table does not comply. Okay, why? Because of this is InnoDB cluster, right? What we need to do, table does not comply with requirement of external plugins. We need to follow some procedures. As of now, DBA point of view, we are good. And that is also we'll see. It's not a big deal. Later we'll see. And some parameters we need to discuss. That is also we are going to see. Okay. Now what you can do, take a screenshot. Okay, simple. Take a screenshot and send it. Issue fixed. Let them test. That's it. Send it. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel. We will go with what are the parameters we discussed. Okay, what are the things we'll be going to discuss in coming video. Thank you.